find the headrest opening on the front cover and position it over the seat as shown. Ensure that the airbag tag is lined up on the appropriate side. Begin by removing the headrest from your front seats. Next, slide the top portion of the seat cover over the seat back. You can tuck excess fabric underneath any headrest posts to help keep things in place. Continue fitting the top half of the cover before reaching the pull bar at the seat. The push bar must be inserted deep between the seat and back portions to ensure a nice and taut fit once the seat covers are fully installed on your vehicle. Continue fitting the rest of the seat cover by wrapping it over the bottom portion of your seat. Then, locate the two elastic straps located along the sides. These must be wrapped around the bottom side of your seat before connecting to one another. At this point, you can proceed to reinsert the headrest back into the seat before covering the headrest with the headrest cover. And there you have it. Your new seat covers are ready for your next trip.